Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw and correct withholding on W-4 with the IRS worksheet, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your most recent pay stub and your W-4 form. Ensure you have the IRS Form W-4 and the IRS Tax Withholding Estimator handy. Access the IRS website and locate the Tax Withholding Estimator tool. Open the Tax Withholding Estimator and click on Get Started. Input your filing status when prompted, such as single, married, or head of household. Enter your total annual earnings as shown on your pay stub. Include all sources of income, such as secondary jobs or side gigs. Provide the number of dependents you expect to claim. Specify any additional income you anticipate for the tax year. Follow the prompts to answer any questions about deductions or tax credits you're eligible for. Once you've completed this section, review your expected tax refund or balance due. Based on the estimator's results, it may suggest how many allowances to claim on your W-4. Next, if you need to make changes, fill out a new W-4 form using the recommendations. In Section 1, complete your personal information including your name, address, and social security number. In Section 2, indicate your filing status. Proceed to Section 3 to declare the total number of dependents you're claiming. In Section 4, update any additional income or deductions as necessary. Carefully check your entries to ensure accuracy. Sign and date the form at the bottom. Submit your completed W-4 to your employer's payroll department. Monitor your subsequent paychecks to confirm the withholding adjustments have taken effect. If necessary, repeat this process at the start of each tax year or whenever your financial situation. For further assistance, refer to the IRS publication 505 for more detailed withholding information. Maintaining proper withholdings ensures that you stay compliant and can avoid unexpected tax liabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.